Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gemini API key. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to your favorite browser and type in the URL box aistudio.google.com/API key. Once done, just go ahead and hit on enter and you will be landed to this exact page. Alright, if you haven't yet, just make sure to sign in right here to be able to get your API key. And once done, once you're in here, just click on get API key and Google will prompt you this. Alright, just give the proper consent right here. And if you'd like to receive emails for model updates, just click on this one right here. Alright, in my case, I'm going to untick this one and hit on accept. Once done, click on create API key right here and wait for it to load. As you can see here, it is currently generating keys and voila, your API key is now ready. Just go ahead and hit on copy and paste this one wherever you want. That's basically how you create a Gemini API key. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.